podcast, radio and stuff.
With a bright smile, welcome to a podcast, radio and stuff. Kamalam Guntogozo Chapa. It's another beautiful day. It's always a beautiful day, especially when you get to go into studio and you sit with good people and you record. So usuku luba mnandi.
Alukho usuku lumnandi njengosuku la khona oxoxa khona nge-radio.
Nothing else.
Radio chats are the best chats.
Yes, nothing else.
Absolutely love them. Hello everyone. Welcome to it. It's podcast, radio and stuff. We are excited. Spethu Msakazi.
Definitely. Ngoba umsakazi uzosivumela, but i-radio i-therapy, ne?
Yeah.
Ukubona ukuthi it doesn't matter how broke you are. Mawusakaza ukhohlwa yonke into. Ukhumbula mawusuqedile ukuthi awunayo imali yegwinya.
Yes.
Ayo ngasho uqinise futhi.
100%.
Yeah, it's a free medium. It's a platform nje yokuthi abantu bekwazi ukukhuleka with all walks of life. You're rich, you're poor, black, white, you know. So it's a very good medium, and it's a medium abantu abayitshela ukuthi izofa kanti sonke masuka from one place to another. Uhamba ngemoto and uhlezi uconnecta nge-Bluetooth eventually, you know. And sometimes like ekuseni kumnandi uthi listen to a very educational maybe breakfast show, you know. For example, maybe Felix Nomini ekuseni makusodlala like ama-quiz up.
Yeah.
I'm always in there and I'm like, wow, these quizzes, I didn't know that. Oh, I didn't know that. How are my planets? I was like, 9 full tower. I said, 8, 12 planets.
Sure.
You know, so it's a medium that's very, you know, it's very powerful. Shame. It's just a shame that it's turned out to be what it is.
Yeah. Abazali bakubiza ngo-Andrew Dlame, ne?
I'm Andrew Dlame, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So my name is Andrew Dlame. I go by the alias Dr. Mjolo. I used to be known as Mr. APC when I used to do radio. I come from a hometown called Richards Bay. Ngafunde John Ross College ngezala eThekwini. Right after matric ngezala eThekwini ngavele ngasebenza ka radio straits ngibe ngifunda. Ngafunda ubutatheli.
Nice.
Kodwa kuyi-qualification azisebenza nje bengifuna abazali bengiyeke.
Okay.
Bese ngikwazi ukuqhubeka ngempilo yami.
Sure.
Yeah.
Dr. Mjolo. Dr. Mjolo kanjani?
All right, so back in my radio days, ngaqala phela, you know, Graveyard. Like ngoku umuntu uqala ebusuku. Babethi ngineze lokuvusa ibhoki. I think I was like 18 at the time, yabo.
Yeah.
Ngishayisa Graveyard. Kwabanzima futhi ukuphuma kwi-Graveyard. And then there was a guy, a gentleman called Kevin Mincer Brown. Kevin Mincer Brown imdala ke kwi-game. Yeah, right. So one day he comes into the studio. Uthi, he was driving a radio. I was like, ABC, what are you doing on the Graveyard show with such good delivery? No, we need to give you a better show. I ngithatha-ke kufethu ngithatha a show called The Sunday Culture. Ngasebenza nomfethu ayesebenza la ekhaya. DJ Worldwide.
Okay.
Yes.
Which radio station is
It was DYR.
DYR, okay.
DYR.
Okay.
Sebenza naye. And then sebenza like nabantu abaningi nje, you know. Ukuthi I don't like name dropping, you understand? I don't like name dropping. Ngithanda ukukhuluma kabi ngabantu in anything. Ngiyena umuntu othanda udweshu. Yeah. So sebenza nabantu abaningi on radio. One day kwavele bangifaka kwi-drive show. Lapho I think I was like the second, third youngest. Kunabantu abadala. One day masekuthiwa there's a new show host. ABC. I was like, how? Kunabantu abafike kudala yabo. And then I guess ubhuti uJD Mdu beno Miles. I think niyabazi.
Yes.
Miles.
Basigahle kakhulu.
Hayi bangithatha ngiyingane but hayi ngoba uhlakaniphile, you got the intellectual capacity, uyakwazi ukudeliver. Asikufaka i-drive show. Then I went on to interview the likes of Black Coffee. I've interviewed your Donalds. Got mentored by Bob Mapena, but it was for a very short time. It was for a very short time because we started talking in July. Slowly, no, in June-ish kanje. Uguthi then in July, sa social radio interview. Kwaba into yokuthi ukuphuma kwami kwa-radio kwaba kanje. It was a thing of ukuthi uRaketi was like, you're going to pack your bags, come to Joburg. He was the programs manager of Power FM at the time. So his idea, even if you related to, if you were descendants of Bob Mapena, he probably used to speak about this. He wants to go back to community radio.
Okay.
And wayikhuluma lento ukuthi uyazi i-radio iyafa as a medium. Radio is dying as a medium. He said, oh, not dying, but transitioning. Traditional radio, like real radio presenters are on community level. If you want real radio, you go community level, yabo. So now this is where the introduction of socialites and celebrities and abantu abaziwayo and abantu abangena ngendlela engamele bengene ngayo started occurring, you know. Angifuna ukusho kabe yabo kunendlela, you know. Saint, you know. So he did mention that I foresee this happening. So he had a whole idea of community. He wants to do something. But I still tried to do radio and so on, and then going in was very hard. And then one day, I had an epiphany. One day we just had a radio show. That time I was a co-host. My co-hosts were Usai Skolile Mboza and Chantal Don Palm. So we just have a drive show. It's on a Friday, but as Pelele content, they're like, you're always talking about relationships. Let's do something. I mean, okay, we're going to come up with a fake name. We're going to say there's a guy called Dr. Mjolo. Who Dr. Mjolo got to mean behind the scenes? Because I'm young. If I come out and I speak about something like what, 20, 21 at the time, speaking to abantu abadala about relationships and fixing it. It's okay, we're going to make it anonymous. Now, so Tina, we're like presenters. It's like there's umuntu studio otulo ngafuna ukwaziwa. Meanwhile, you know, I was pushing the whole idea and giving the advice. Dr. Mjolo says, and what you should do is you should make sure you find a partner ongeke exabanise with your family. Lo muntu ushevu kwa wena uzokushiya ekupheleni kosuku. Yabo, like things like that.
Sure.
So went from that angavele ngayiyeka irate yabo hamba ufaka ma demo yonke indawo hamba ufaka ama demo hayibo umuntu interview Black Coffee umuntu interview Mampinch MC no DJ Sindo. I'm getting gigs left right and center. My social media presence was powerful yabo le nto, but ngiyabona ukuthi abangeva kwabele kube kugena bayangena. It's not a talent thing, it's a angas yabo.
So what?
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. So then I just made a decision.
You look like you know, you just don't want to say.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, but bangena.
Bahlala kancane bephume.
Okay.
Bengaphinde bebonakala. Ungene kanjani lo muntu. Baningi, I don't want to say names, but when you look at it, you understand from that perspective. So now, I mean, it is a wish I'd like to, but I know that if I were to do radio, it wouldn't be here. It's like it would be in Johannesburg. Because I frequent Johannesburg a lot, you know. I have a lot of people who fund my stuff, like Abelugu Basekoli, Namaraza Kon. Like if I have a relationship gig, I'm managing some adverts, TV, radio, you know, randomly. I do adverts and everything. Ngine funding yasekoli. Kunabantu nje abatsemva wami hamune idea wena sokupush, yabo. You won't get very hard to get that here. Ukuthi umuntu ekhonze just ekhonze because you're talented and wants a return on investment kube imali. La eThekwini igcwele bafuna ezinye izinto esingesikwazi phela engibona ukuthi ngeke phela yabona
like what? No, listen, no phela angithi mode bafuna ezinye izinto mina ngifuna ukunderstand ngithi nathi nje wasila sikulethile because we believe in you.
Yes. Very rare.
So asifunanga lutho bafuna ezinye izinto. Isho ukuthi now you were willing to give us lezi ezinye izinto.
No time.
No, you guess ezinye izinto.
No, angitholanga lutho.
No, uPutobe I see his hustle on Facebook. Ngiyabona i-podcast ngiyayibona hlezi ngiyibona ngiyasho ukuthi I know you guys are very good ukuthi ke ngikathina. I'm very pressed for time when it comes to the schedule yabo. Because njengamanje ngibuye nge-anger.
Okay.
I-anger ngibuye nge-anger. Not i-anger ukuthi ngizohliphiza abantu nani. Ngizothatha lokho kwathathwa from me back in the day.
Okay.
The opportunities. I sat down ngabona ukuthi njengamanje there isn't someone young la eThekwini ozokwazi ukuthi bafo wavalelwa. You're a young kid uvulelwe ithuba. Asihlangane mina, I'm into the youth we must come together as the youth. Eventually abantu abadala
Okay, asiqale la. Okwathathwa ubani?
In what way?
Ubuyele ukuzothatha okwathathwa.
Amathuba.
Okay,
Impumelelo.
Okay, who took it away from you?
Uyazi yena. Yena uyazazi, he's probably going to see this. But ngize ngodlame part ngempumelelo.
No. Angithi wena you were at Durban Youth Radio.
Yes.
Right. As you narrated your story. Wapusha in nighttime show. I don't like calling it Ikrave.
Yeah, nighttime.
Wapusha nighttime show. And then I'm in management. baguzwa, they loved your delivery. Bezwe maturedness. Bakunikeza a Sunday show. And so on. So you were given amathuba according to what you have delivered. But then now you are saying kunamathuba athathu. So in what way?
Ukuvalelwa nje.
Yeah, mongachaza ukuthi in what way?
In what way?
Lawo mathuba.
Like yabona lento ukuthi makuzothi okay. Going to record demos. Ama demo nani. Mhlawumbe usubizwe ka 5 6. Mubizwe ka 5 6 sometimes yabo. Sometimes you get an opportunity to listen to lo muntu deliver. Usathi sorry yabo, like if you're going to go into a commercial space and you're going for an audition. If deliver your demo. Can't be like, oh sorry, no, try again. No. Maybe by the time you fix Dr. Kesaz, you're in and out. Figure when we shine into your saint. And in a respectful manner, as a person who I believe, I'd like to believe what I get to seats in his seats. I don't remember stepping on anyone's toes. So hambo ya born ukuthi wenziwa inyoni la wenziwa inyoni so yathenjiswa usubanjwa ngoJuly ngena amantombazane amahle nje ufela uthi hayibo why la mantombazane asebenza la onke efana. Sometimes there's things we need to look at ukuthi why, and it's a nepotism thing that's so common here in Durban. You know, as a relationship coach myself, there are powerful women today who come to me and they counsel me ukuthi uyazi the way engangena ngayo kuphi unobaba odumile ubani owangenza izinto ukuze ngingene ngangena ngendlela engekho fair. Yayizwa lonto. When you go to Joburg, it's purely on merit. eGoli singabanga isibani yabo njengami nawe brother. Your talent and whatever, let's say now, but let's say I on that day I deliver better than you. They don't have lento ukuthi hayi ngoba mdala you must learn. La eThekwini baba nento ukuthi usamncane usayingane epaka kuze kube yiloko. eGoli ingane na 21 yakwazi ukupusha iMercedes. Kungabi indaba zalutho. You understand ukuthi they believe in the youth, and that's who's supposed to be driving everything. We look at even in our governments right now. Good government, yes.
Okay, before we feel good government, I don't want to lose my chain of thoughts.
Okay.
So ngenzela ukuthi mina ngizoyi-understand.
Yeah.
So after usuthole amathuba watholile kwi Durban Youth Radio.
Yeah. Which I'm very grateful for. Yabona ke get you.
Is there a commercial station owazama ukungqongqoza kusona noma commercial stations ala KZN owazama wena ukungena
sesingasho nje ukuthi akusiza ukuthi you're a programs manager yabo. Saint your job is to have an ear for your talent at that time. That's your job, to have an ear for talent.
Okay.
Ukuthi mina ngizwana nomuntu wena ozwana naye. If I'm emailing you saying demo, we are boogie profile, I'm a ring announcer. Like KZN, very well known ring announcer. MMA. Mina if you think yonke into engikhuluma nginamanga, go on Instagram and look for APC_radio and see yonke into ukuthi oh Letwana is not joking. I put in the work. I've worked hard. Mina kunezinto engazenzi. I don't have time for friends. I don't have time for it. I'm always grinding. Manje, I come from hustling. I'm on an interview right now. Mangifike endlini ngiyo hustlish. Ngoze ngilale ngo-12. That's how I'm able to get into opportunities like that. Mina ngilwa nempumelelo nje.
Okay.
Yayizwa leyo nto leyo.
All right.
So I'm that type of person.
Okay, so asibuyeleke la kumbuzo wami. So is there a commercial stations othi I've tried ukungena la nala ase KZN.
All right. Engathini engathanda ukugena kusona. No, ukuthi phela those abavalela kudala are no longer present phela. None of the programs managers who are
No, let's not talk about the programs managers.
Yes,
let's
I'm saying
talk
none
about
of
radio
them.
stations.
Okay, but sengiyasho before ngisho statement sami. None of them who ababenekwali nami because ngaxabana neRazo elali are in charge now. So now ngathatha break. I've not been active, very obviously yabo. But yeah, I've tried your Vuma FMs. I actually like Vuma FM.
So you've tried Vuma?
Yeah, I've tried Vuma.
Okay.
I really like Vuma.
All right. Then what happened when you were trying Vuma?
No, nami ngase ngi-inactive ke phela ngaleso sikhathi. by the time sengizama ivumi.
Ngesikhathi uzama ivumi.
By the time sengingena kwivumi.
But any response?
No, not even an email back, not even, which is okay, phela if ibona bakhetha, but it's okay nakhona, which is why ngavele ngabona ukuthi I looked at instances like this ukuthi in the entertainment game asinaye umuntu ozomela ingane. Mina I don't mind being the sacrificial lamb. Mina I don't mind ukuthi ubani ungangifuni bani wangithandi, akungisizi ngalutho lokho. Angeke sinenge impilo, sinenge imali, sinenge impumelelo, sinenge nabantu.
So Vuma is one commercial station
that I'd really
in KZN.
Yes, I'd really.
There are others. Which other one did you try?
I had to like Vuma.
No, which did you try? Let's put liking aside.
Before that, yeah. I've tried Kakasi, I've tried East Coast, I've tried, a lot.
Okay, let's go to East
Coast. So it's never the organizations, though. It's never the organizations. Yeah. It's usually the people. But
you feel, Uguti, somehow you deserved to go in.
At that time.
Oh,
no, at that time. No, I'm not blowing my own horn. If you could go on Instagram now, by that time, about 2018, Instagram, I'm APC_radio1. And I was young, and I was, ngangahambi namuntu, ngi-MCL, ngumuntu alright. Ngaxabana nje nomunye uRazo Senti, owathi nje yazi ngingakufaka at a certain place. Konke engicelayo. Mina umdlalo ke lo. I mean, mangifika la, I come in different cars. Ekhaya, clearly they're doing well. I come in a Lexus, I come in a Land Cruiser, different cars. What makes you think ukuthi I'd go to that extent for this job ukuthi ungafuna leyo nto?
Andrew, let's call a thing, my guy. So, I want to be clear here.
Yeah. Bangifuna uSim 2. Fune ngizosho bangifuna nje into ephele ecileni.
Wakufuna uSim 2.
Bangifuna uSim 2.
Okay. We've got to get to that. Ubani wakufuna uSim 2?
Hayi
I'm not saying shikama lo muntu. Umuntu wayo programs manager kusibumuphi umsakazo.
No. It wasn't a programs manager. It was someone who has the power ukuthi umethe.
Okay. Umuntu osemsakazweni naye.
No, umuntu nje behind the scenes nje.
Behind the scenes.
Ayikho ngisho entertainment umuntu nje. Yirazo nje thizene likwazi ukuthi ilifone nje ukuthi lo ngimdinga ephumile esipani.
At that time awusa ku DYR.
Ngangisaku DYR ithembisa.
Ukuze ukwazi ukuphumelela emsakazweni wakufuna uSim 2.
Yeah. Angavele ngaphela umdlandla mina kodwa Razo kubo bonke abantu mina ngenzeni. Like wethu yini lebhlungu kanga yini embi engenze komunye umuntu uthi ngaze ufunele yona.
Yeah.
Yabona mfethu I was shocked. Lethi iqala kancane mfethu azenze njani amaRazo.
Yeah.
And I'm warning you guys out there, young guys like eThekwini kunento emeli igadi azenze njani iRazo. Uboyibuza uthi why when iRazo nje vele likhonze livele lihambe nawe. Liqala kancane phela iRazo. Qala kancane lokho ukuthi sengikhozile ntwana phathi ingane ntshibize yabo. Xa iphathi ingane ntshibize hawu kancane uyayizwa le nto ukuthi hawu uthi phone unganginikeza imali noma inini. Futhi umfone likufakele iRazo. Yabo when you thinking you got a mentor here. Ingxoxo vele shuthi washo ukuthi angifuni kulokho ngiyalena le ngifuna le nto mina ngithole ya le nto. Mina iRazo ngingazongibhedela mina.
Yeah.
Ngingazongibhedela guy kwaka business. Now ngesho I think he's done it to so many people bathi inyembe zayiweli phansi zitshala iqalekiso zabantu. So he's just totally out uyile phansi. But I just protect his ngathini isimilo somndeni wakhe. For I'm going to say that he's got kids, he's got a wife, you understand? Now accusations now I'm the first one to maybe come out. And then sebeyaphuma abantu now sengibukise ngengane yakhe yomfana mhlawumbe yabo. So I think about things like that. So I decided to be very mature about it. Ngavele ngathi I'm taking a break, I'm trying something new. Cried for a very long time. Then kanti lento ya Dr. Ntsholo is I think that was God's way of channeling me in a way ukuthi uzolimala la but find a different thing. So ngaqala ke ngaba relationship coach. Uthi aqala ngane le TikTok and then one day someone said I'll pay you if you can do this. Funa malini. Wathi ufuna malini? Never sold.
Sizoyajaba nje ku Dr. Ntsholo ne. So ngena khona I want to go back to kule ka ya Razo.
Yeah.
uRazo umuntu onemyamngana Monga sakhela nje isithombe sakhe ukuthi simbone without ukumbona. Umuntu osebenzayo unamabhizinisi ulako 50 ukiphi industry.
It's a business nje.
Okay.
Anything you could say or he was. Could say agriculture nana. Ayiphela into enzakalayo. Uyile ngoba uma mhlawumbe kusongena ikhansela thizeni or someone for like 5 years in let's say entrepreneurial space. For lo 5 years lo connect wakhe ngakuphakela. But yabo lapho oma khona umpompi. Uyoma ngoba isikhathi esiningi when they in these positions bavalela abanye abantu and lo muntu ovalelile sekuyena ophezulu. So awurazi washiziliswa yilokho ke nje ukuthi wayeja uthi ile dayiyona. Yeah.
So when he asked for sim 2 wawucela ni face to face
Mfethu ungijumile siyashibiza nje ungijumile ngathi kahle khona lapho ubona khona Razo ukuthi
hey ungangibizi ngera
Okay I better umtala mina khulile
okaze bathi nayi Razo
No kuyinto ukuthi
ngiyadlala nje
khuleka khona lapho ubona khona yazi khona lapho Razo ubona khona ukuthi umusa cha ngiyahlonipha phela ngingakuniki leyo ndawo udala kumina khona lapho ubona khona umuhleli kanje ukuthi yabo ngathi seqala yakhuluma like izinto yabo like isandla masitha uyaqala nyakazo sayibo yabo uthi akuhlebela uzo ngathi yakhotha ngathi umlomo manje uthi yirazo uthi mana wo and then umuntu usekhuluma live ke manje usiyakutshela
yeah
engayibona mina ngathi mina mfethu kodwa Razo ngeke ungitshayela kabi ungiqala ngapi kodwa ungiqala ngapi ngasuma ngahamba and every time he would meet me like ema-clubini wayehlezi ngihamba nabafana abancane wayehlezi hamba nabafana abancane kungathi uyimenso nogadeke le Razo amamenso uvune bani semhlanje saint so kwaba a situation yokuthi nje mfethu njalo mengifice eclubini ehlezi esho ukuthi wena ubofika I skipped the stage khona lapho sabhukwa for a certain political party 2018 was it 28 December if I'm not mistaken because 2019 February check you can fact check this around about February a certain political party had a manifesto at was it Moses Mabhida like
you can call the political party by name was it the ANC
yes
okay
that's only MC Gig
okay
wangithembisa imali kwangathi yabona into yokuthi kuzoba ushwele like he's apologizing nami ngokuba ingane ngibiza umngane wami uStaro yena akazi lutho phela ukuthi uRazo ungizame kanjani hayi perform ethi bese iqedwe uStaro siyahamba uthi hayi ABC utshelele umjida phela uthi fake imali yakhe mina hey alright no ngizokhuluma naye uthi hayi uzobuye set yazi the disrespect wabeka ibhodlela eJameson nenyama kanje but ayisensebenzini manje from 11 ekseni till kuze kube lapho kunamabhasi lana kunogogo khona into abayenzayo yokuthi bebiza ogogo lanto ibhlungu lanto they call ogogo ekseni balambile ogogo banishukela yazi bekhalela lokho ukuthi ngiyabona emsiya ngiyanandisa balambile ogogo they have not eaten they have diabetes yayizwa le nto leyo so sayintikeke ay ethi imali uzoyilanda endlini phela mina ngibone umuntu omdala ngithi mina Razo uma wami kunento ayifakayo ethiwa cash send noma ungayenza kube iwallet sebenzisa liphi ibhanka wathi wena uzofika uzolanda imali endlini bafika nabanye amajita bezolanda imali endlini nje ayi ngihlale phansi nginobhuti othumlile kangikhulume naye ngithi surface lo Razo lo after I tried to do le nto kumina usethi ufuna ngiyolanda imali endlini ezothi hayi phela so hamba sibani ngini bayoshaya sonke ngosimthulu sangahamba it's futhi sangahamba and everyone was confused why you not going back I was like that's what happened and right now ngiyazi ukuthi ngisidelined for life like say you know because ngathini now on TikTok I say certain things abalandeli would not like but like iqiniso
wazi kanjani ukuthi uRazo uyena wakuvalela iminyango radio stations ahlukahlukene
yabona ukuthi izinto zaseyikanje after that kwavele kwathi kancane kwathi kwatsaka
so unako into ebambekayo ukuthi mhlambe khona la kwathiwa hayi angeke sakwazi ukuqhubeka nawe ngoba nakho sibani bani uthi
yabona Razo ezinye izinto khona into abanye bathi intuition
okay
abanye bathi idlozi mina I call it the Holy Spirit because I'm a Christian I know the Holy Spirit nje ukhombisa nje ukuthi hayi ukudabulile because lo muntu lo ngendlela ayipowerful ngayo wayincengwa ama celebrities ayibona le nto leyo wayincengwa ama celebrities and it's a very sad thing I don't want to ruin anyone's reputation I don't like ruining reputations yabo even if umuntu wenze into embi ngisho ukuthi uxabene nami ngisho ukuthi ungenzeni embi but I don't come out and like call you out I believe God will deal with you and futhi when he does uNkulunkulu umuntu ohamba udila ukhalisa abantu uqashisa abantu ubafaka emsebenzini you doing nonsense things uthatha ama bribes ukwazi ukutshela umuntu ukuthi mawuzothola lo msebenzi wena ngizothatha ipercent engaka uNkulunkulu uyakubuka and lapho i-downfall yakho uyenza ibe. For me, that downfall has given me this more. I got happy nge-downfall yakhe, but he couldn't stay in that position because abantu garanti bakhansini. So it was just better the way it happened. Much better.
Sure. Ay, sesingangena emjolweni. Actually, yazi when I asked lo mbuzo ngikubuza ngoDr Mjolo ukuthi ngene kanjani. Besazo understanda kangcono ukuthi uqhamukaphi ekhaya ikephi ungene kanjani emsakazweni. Wala wathatha wayihamba waze wafika. Mhlawumbe wasiqalela lapho nje kancane ukuthi ekhaya ikephi nani nedatha uthanda umsakazo.
Okay, ekhaya said church place. So I went to a school called John Ross College.
Okay.
Ngangenza lezinto my debates, public speaking. I've never lost. I broke a recording. It was 2016. The all-time Ice Stepford record. Okay. I even got at John Ross College. There's a trophy, a mic. Baze Miss King got it for me. I think last I recalled, it was just me. Kamalan Palo and it's never been because of the things I did, you know. When we went to the parliament in Maritzburg for the South African Model United Nations Delegates Organization. As John Ross College squad, which is Pumu number 4. There's alone. It was myself, Amanda Mkabela. There's Amanda Mkabela, and I just forgot the other 2 ladies' names. Oh, yeah, it's been, so I think from high school 10 years, man, chabo. It's been 10 years, I'm out of high school.
Sure.
Saint, yabo. So, kwaba into yokuthi, one day, okay, before ngisho ngikwenza lokho, before ngene kwi-radio, kwi-North Coast Radio. When I was 16, ngimncane, khona lapho where they'd usually frequently being interview. It was still called Shine FM at that time. Being busy just to co-host at midnight. It was a guy from church. So he was at church MC like Christ Embassy. There's a church called Christ Embassy. Like Seguin. So 2016, 2017, every June 16, connected to Jesus and Me party, like figure congregations from like all around, you know, KZN, we figure to Christ Embassy to like China Mall Pezul. So I'd always MC. So lo razo lona vele saw me from there. So kanti usakaza Shine FM.
Oh, okay.
Uma ngabe sebenzisa Shine FM, urazo ehleze ngibiza yabo ifuna ukungintroduce nani. Kanti njalo mangilokhu ngena late izoshaya lento ngifela ugrade 11. Boo! Qoma ijolo. Hayi. I know focus on your studies, my service cut so simple. And then I got slowly into public speaking, and then got me tricky again. Ingqondo sihluzile sibuyile ingqondo yabo. There was a girl called Unox in Noxolo Mthiane. Noxolo Mthiane is from Richards Bay. So Unox decided this one day ukuthi yena akasafuni kuyenza le show. We're in high school at this time, like we're in matric. At Unox, come I want to interview, let's just talk about your public speaking. Mangifika ngiyakhuluma, programs manager at that time is a lady called Andiswa Hadebe. So ngiyakhuluma, and then they were doing an outside broadcast. Khona no Carl Mutise, you can ask Carl Mutise this. So Carl Mutise bangase Bish Richards Bay. Now they used to be ngase Boardwalk Shopping Center. Now they moved to a beach. So it was a thing Muti on air, they were doing an OP. So ngiyamuza interview ngiyakhuluma yabo nami I'm also interacting with them. Ebuze on the side like masesi off air. Ebuze Unox ukuthi who ba no bhuti ohleli naye nana uthi akuyena ubhuti, it's a boy in my class. It's a boy ngifunda naye esikoleni. Uthi umtshele ngifuna ukumbona. I want him to be your co-host. Futhi la kanjalo ngangena Saint right sasebenza ngisho khona umfethu othi jumping castle on TikTok. So he did a show Maskandi that year 2016 kwahlukene ngoma le Van Damme.
Okay.
So from I think about March they used to play it all the time. Technically, I'm not saying uyena uMabhakede who made that happen, but Tina in North Coast at that time that station ngendlela sasilalelwa ngayo kunamabhinqa lapha. The reach goes far. It used to go for like to go nongoma, so amabhinqa would listen to it. So njalo kwi show yabo kwi countdown babe hlezi ku Van Damme ku Mabhakede no Thisha umkhulu Mzoba. Forgot what school. It's not Old Mill. I think somewhere empangeni edlangezwa Skawini, I'm not sure. So kwakena bon Thisha umkhulu no Mabhakede now is known as Jumping Castle.
Sure.
Besa ndongibiza ngoQuesta mangena. It's a Questa, you know. So yafika ku matric phela I have to go to a bigger town. Come to DY in Carlton Durban. Mangifika ngangqonqoza eDY yabo makuthiwa iPersistence. So there's a guy and I'm highly grateful to him. Bambiza ngoT. Niyamazi uT?
No, angimazi.
Tebogo is old in the game. A lot of OGs learned how to DJ and radio. Tebogo.
Okay.
Wangifaka wangithi Graveyard. Then Kevin gave me surprise. I think introducer ngeke ngena kwishoka Sunday ngasebenza no Worldwide. Mangisenza no Worldwide abavele ngapromote kwathiwa drive show. Ayizitho zashelelayo. Hayi kwase kufika lesigameko.
Yeah, no. Ususilandise kahle ke. Asike siye konjolo. After uphumile radioweni. So
Yeah.
what is kuba uDr Mjolo without radio? Ngoba uyichazile ngale ngathi usase radioweni. So wenzani ngaphandle kwe radio ukuba uDr Mjolo?
Okay, so Dr. Mjolo is an entity. He's not just a relationship coach. I do adverts as well, you know. Voiceovers like konu razi ngisebenza naye. So I call Tama unjiji wami.
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
Yes. So like angithi station by SAPC there's Ukhozi and then it's Lotus.
Yes.
Yabo. So the English side of the voiceovers I wearing busy and just sent. There was a one time we did this advert. It was for Pioneer Debt Solutions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, shy. I think like twice, yabo. Ayengibizwa and then slowly repeat thing of ukuthi nje fafa. And then also 2022, 2023, 2024 was the 17th annual Satsuma Awards are here. Ungaphuthelwa, all roads lead to Mpumalanga, the place of the rising sun. That was me.
Oh nice.
Wow.
Yeah. Roko Mamas, I did Roko Mamas. Guning, and then others you sign NDAs. You know, it's either Kona Lapo where the way that I've worked, like there's where you can get royalties, like the more
Okay.
So they become clever, man. If you like, management.
Yes.
So they know finding a gig for me is much harder. It's not impossible, but it's much harder. So what I'm saying is NDA being shang samba.
Yeah.
That's why I'm 25. Can't let voice over. Can't I boys are generating malinga. So now I work alone now. I work alone as an entity. But man, just seven guy to Stingray, and then I have my cameraman is a guy from Richards Bay. His name is Peter Broncos. So general man just about 3, and then put Bamige who up behind me.
Okay.
Yes, I have brothers behind me. They're the supports. They're the protection. And then it's my family. I'm from a very very big family. I'm like mkhulu, and kunabantu abahlonitshiwe khona. So they got my back. Like if makungathiwa I step on the wrong toes and khona umuntu ofuna ukwenza into, I know who to call edladleni ukuthi awe uncle yazi lo muntu lo ekwazi ukukhuluma naye mbeke endaweni makuukuthi phela makuukuthi.
Okay.
So angisukelani I work individually. Ukuthi manje la eThekwini kunalento yokuthi when they see someone new coming up, okay bafuna ukumsondeza, but manje kunento mina engayifuni mawukuthi sisebenzisane equally.
Sure.
Awukwazi ukuthi mina ngenza wonke umsebenzi wena usubamba ingxenye. I look at a lot of people when they work like that, you know, like even as artists. I look at artists and I'm like, "Would I cut the studio saba? I record the studio ska." I'm like, he's eating the masters. He's making a chunk off of you, my G. That car you just bought could have been yours. So I want to intwana. So I understand what first. Leo mali yakho ithola kumagika. Umeyancane amantombazana but besimam ngeke bephele. Each year, because someone is turning 18, someone is turning 19, but ngeke bephele. Le ntombi yakho lekudla imali uphizwa hambisha amagigi. Khona intombazane yabona banomkhuba kwi-entertainment abafowethu abangangamla eThekwini. Banoma bengane bayondla. Yabo? I understand that okay, right ukondla, but bebancane beyifake kuleyo mgodi leyo. Whereas they forget to build themselves. Mabephumile baphuza utshwala namantombazane muthuthi Monday nangu outside lapho artist sefethu ngibhoga ngeblocks mfethu yazothola igig. I'm like singayiphila lempilo uzoyiphila kuze kube yini njalo ngizokunika but uzoyiphila kuze kube yini. And they do that sort of thing. So I want to empower them ukuthi ngingamane mina vele singi sideline makufika kwi-right mina yonke into sengizoyimela as a single entity. Hence na ngabona ukuthi sengisebenza nabelungu. Abelungu kabanayo ke leyo nto leyo. Abelungu, when you work with abelungu, one thing I like about working with white people is if you're good, you're good. If they don't need you anymore, then they'll be honest with you. Andrew, I'll be honest with you. We found someone better, but thank you for all your time. Yeah, but I prefer Leon.
Straightforward.
Straightforward. Yeah, but ungapi gig. Tell me ukuthi angapi gig. Ungalokhu ushalaza uyale nale lokhu ufaka abanye abantu ufaka abangani bakho using your nepotism, you know? And that's what laba abantu abamnyama are doing here at Tegwini. So I'm putting myself on a chopping board here, ukuthi I can be public enemy number 1. I do not mind. But mina, ngilwela ukuthi wena bafo, noma wena sisi, who's trying out in the entertainment industry, ukuthi, not saying I'm going to fund you or anything. I can't fund the whole world. Or my people can't fund the whole world. It's not me with the money. I have people behind me. It's a thing of ukuthi empower yourself.
Sure. Quick one. Dr. Mjolo, the reason when I asked the question, I thought njoba Dr. Mjolo khona bukwenza in terms of relationships.
Oh,
relationship
what I
advice
do.
and all of that, yes.
Okay. So Dr. Mjolo, his main source of income. I coach people.
Okay.
Like, for example, a lot of people kuma relationship njengamanje, but it's going sour because, for example, as a woman, there's a lot of women who grew up without father figures or stable father figures. A lot of the times they're going to get their influence from osisi abadala asebehlulekile emjolweni bemfaka ehlathini. Kunosisi today on social media who are influential, traveling the world, banemali nayo yonke into, but telling young girls ukuthi marriage is bad. And do you know what that's doing to the black culture? Most single moms, most single dads, the most sondani. Mungena on social media every day do you not see that we it's like we don't like each other. Black men, black women. And yona izona lezi ingqondo lezo ukuthi nathi singabafowethu we can't abandon our kids.
Sure.
So mina I'm into building relationships. Now khona futhi relationship engifuna ukuyikhanda mina. Mangizokhanda relationship. Indoda imine imali. Sisi nawe ngicela uhlanganise. Indoda imine imoto. Nawe ngicela ube nemoto. Hayi mina ngakabi nemoto kodwa ngifuna uphutwa nemoto. Sisi somjida unihambe naye etaxini nikhande naye. Umuntu nomuntu akabe ku level yakhe. We live in an economy today whereby it's virtually impossible to have umuntu oyedwa in the household esebenza and it stays afloat. Abanye are like khona isibani bani uyakwenza ubona ama financials akhe. Look at these guys abaningi abondla one man. They are always angry. Mhlani outside hleze ngolaka. Lo umuntu lo no fro emdla. Hleze kancane kancane. Sengishaya ngempama. Why? He's umafika endlini. Kunemuntu nje kunethe shodayo la endlini nana akasakwazi ngisho ukuphefumula. So we're building dual income households. Like the same way when I work with clients maybe of white descent or Indian descent, colored descent. Yeah, sure. Uzoshi out ukuthi I'll pay for the house, Andrew. I'll pay for the cars. Right. She pays for the school fees, she pays for the electricity, the rates, and So the man holds the bulk. Sure. That way, by the time the figure month and the guys, you skin yasakwazi ukupatch. Seni couple sengikhona isihlobo sakho noma khona ubhuti wakho omncane osanda kuqala ukusebenza ngoba wamsiza kudala. Senilokhu niyamnyisa njalo ngifuna amaloni nana. Senginengane yakini nje yentombazane eyayincane nayisiza siyabonga kodwa isithelelo lokuqala lokuthi ahlale endlini yakho for 1 year. Wena nomyeni wakho nemhleli bhampa uyakhumbula sikuhlalisa. So it's things like that mina I am against. I'm going to put myself on a chopping board for the things that I've accomplished in life. Everything I've said, angisho kanje ukuthi ngizoyenza. So nehlanye ngiyakuyenza lonto. Oh, you're not going to be a ring announcer. Oh, hoko. Manje clean. Oh, let talk some chat talk. Baqala bangihleka. Oh, next thing yevane uyashaya lento yakhe yabo. So I believe that once ngiyathanda makuthiwa uyaforce lo mjidi, I want to prove you wrong.
That's announcer. Sorry. Sengikhathele kuloko shaya ngathi
ngiyayazi. Make an example.
Okay.
And okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MFC 134. And then, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This athlete weighs in at 68.5 kgs. Fighting out of Bellido Bulldogs, it's Lucky Amadziripi. So I'm that guy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You hear that when you are watching a boxing.
Yeah.
Boxing match.
I've done one boxing event.
I love watching a boxing match.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So I've tried. And I did everything that I did for all these years behind the scenes to finally build the connections. Manje singesibindi so ukuthi manje clean. If we're going to work, let's please open doors for us. Asebenzisane sinamarazo. If bezofuna ukusivalela lamarazo athanda ukusivalela. Shuthi phela sizokhahlela lo mnyango and not in a violent way. And not in a way ukuthi sonlise. Bazobona nje manje clean intwana kumele sivele sihlangane. There's nothing they can do.
Hey, Cavalera.
Now yazi amarazo kodwa ayacasula amarazo. Khona into amarazo. Razo ngikhuluma nawe Razo. Razo awukwazi wena ukuthi una 45 use clubbing. Nengane na 19 ekubiza ngodude ehlikihla ikhanda ubhemi happy. ukhohlela amehleze bebomvu yayizwa leyo nto kunento nje ukuthi ngeweekend razo ugcine ukuhlala nomfazi wakho Saint, your kids don't know you. A lot of men, black men, amarazo, are strangers in their house. In the club, popping bottles. Ingane yakho mfana ayazi lutho about life. I counsel a lot of kids like that because my dad udla ingane engangamfethu and my mom knows about this woman. We are chatting every day. I'm telling you, like a 16, 17-year-old will come and say that nyangi charge leyo ngane phela yabo. But sekuthi mfana me bekezela mfethu just qede scale. That's all I can give him hope. I'm not going to counsel kids ngiyangifundisa ingane phela ngomjolo. I mean ngaphansi kwa 18 nje I always tell them even when they save mind better they say I'm like dude I'd have to get consent from umzali mhlambe now we time uthi hey lokho kwami kuhlala endlini mfowethu kubuko anime kuhlala iPlayStation se ngishiyo ukhe emoto akayitshontsha yabo sesikuhlala ke naleyo dana uthi phela ntwana nawo uyihluphe phela uye go play outside hamba udlala ibhola futhi awudlala namajit yabo umntwana uyicoach ukuthi yabo uqala ugqoke kahle uyagqoka skipper sika Johnson yabo le nto leyo you 18 years old stop wearing skipper sika Johnson I don't mind ukukhuluma with a man like that like intwana encane ukuthi ay ikhule in that way but leyo ukuthi ngizofundisa ingane like ngiyipolute you know and I'm very shocked at the rate of ukuthi when I go through my comments it's kids in high school and there's things that figures in my DMs yazi you're like a father figure to me I've never had when I listen to you it's like you're talking to me directly
sure
and that's sad man
so clarity ngicela ne ngalo muntu uya understand exactly I methodology oyisebenzisayo to give advice to give guidance in terms of relationships how do you do that? Do you do it through social media? Do you have rooms where people come?
Okay,
how
so
do you do it?
Over the phone
okay
I charge 300 rand for 30 minutes 400 rand for an hour
okay
my 7-day coaching is 1,200 if I'm going to speak to you for 30 days, it's 2.5. But nakhona ama time slots ayahluka phela 2.5 khuluma nawe inyanga yonke ngeke phela ngikhulume nawe i-hour or 15 minutes lapho nalapho catch up and but uzogcina khona Saint yabo uzoba right. And then my face to faces because abantu bayahlanya nje. Can't just link up with a stranger with a stranger to your house. Lo muntu mezokunquma kunabantu abacasula into a generalization. Ekuzondo umuntu like as if you created that problem.
Sure.
Mhlambe ngirazo nje ngifuna ukuzoba ne one on one now.
Kapi pro yakho ikhombisa ivideo, yakufaka ifro yakho ikhombisa ivideo uthi buka ufana uncane uthini lapho wena uyakwenza usuyangizonda usihamba ungibona usushatha mina ngihlangana naphi mina.
Sure.
Ulungisa umuzwa wakho as out. Wena lokuse wena uhluleke kuba yi-out Saint. Ingakho nengane zabo abaningi nje mabengabukisisa la emphakathini. A lot of these razzles who are doing this abafazi babo are in the DMs of ingane. Telling you as a young man yabo futhi ngoba nginomzimba omncane kunaleti ama-sister angazi bathi abafana abancane bakwazi ukwenzani ekameleni. I'm serious yabo noma umfana every guy who's skinny yabo skinny guys makukhulunywa ama-sister damsana ama-sister ayishaya ngey'ntwana bathi khona into abakwazi ukuyenza khona lapho abafika khona that the men are no longer doing because razo wena isibhamu sakho asisasebenzi endlini isibhamu sakho sesisebenza outside kakhulu wena mawusufika la ifro fethu usufika mfethu nenhlamvu yokugcina nakhona futhi ile yini ishelo ayizwe lonto ufika nje ushaya one uyalala your wife is not getting any more action in the house ngeke kufana ushaya igceke noma umfana esontweni ushaya ikeyboard engakushayile uma uyibukisisa mabe ngabukisisa izingane zabo kahle khona engafani nabo ukhuluma ngezinto phethe ezenzekalayo
So
women confide in me the things I hear I'm like
so they confide in you ngoba they want to experience you because you are a nice slim guy.
No mina bangizeli ngaleyo nto mina bangibhedela like once in a blue moon khona umuntu oyokhuluma leyo nto leyo yabo ukhona umuntu ozoyikhuluma yona leyo nto cha nami ngi-out I'm not gonna lie I'm also in girls DMs cha mfuna I'm in the girls DMs because ngacishe ngashada yabo
Okay.
akangalungi.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 29.
29.
Yeah.
Okay. Uthe ukhonze Christ Embassy.
Yeah.
All right. Bafila kanjani esontweni ngale content yakho?
Content yami
Yes.
bayihleka. It's got a lot of comedy in it. It's a lot of truth, but I know how to brush off iqiniso. Unyanya ngishayihla yabo ungabisanaka then it's educational in that way. Ayibona leyo nto leyo. Abanye bathi khona wathi I'm trying to be ubabudokotela. I'm like no, I'm not trying to be ubabudokotela anyway. This is me every day. everyone would ask mina kanjena nje sidalo yabo leyo nto ukuthi kuraketi yayi phela hayi
So umfundisi akaza kubize akubuze imibuzo
hayibo bayehleka because they see it's jokes but nami phela ngizama if I stop doing that ngizodlana
yeah
nami isobho lami phela at the end of the day yabo
imali yakho yalapha eMoses Mabhida wagcina uyitholile
hayibo ngangizoyithola kanjani Angenginuka ngizithola kanjani angifuni ukwazi ukuthi usala kulika
so why sacrifice imali yakho
enye into abantu abamnyama le babulalayo understanding ukuthi there are things that are more important in life than imali abantu abamnyama ziningi izinto engabe ziyalunga umuntu uyasho ukuthi I have my core fundamentals, my core values. Khona izinto obaba bakudala babengazenzi ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa kuyahlushekwa la. Angeke sekubhudwa amlo nemali socela imali. Manje sekuno baba bemizi nje sebekwazi ukena qathala endlini emzini omunye umuntu nje eyocela imali. Sengingamli indaba zalutho. Njenge after sometimes I remember the time ngishizila 2023. Yes. Mind you, I come from a very good background. My mom asked me, uhlala lapha ngihlala eNew Germany. Uthi some things of I was embarrassed. Uhlala ku back room elokishini, sub 5. This is coming from the suburbs. I saw ukuthi ngiyayidinga le experience ukuthi one man gunman zingikhalele yabona ngihlala ku backroom endlela ukuthi yabona makunomsho yini what's a stream called Mhosha nomshosha yini Mhosha a stream ukuthi ngisho uthi uyayiwashi washing yakho give it 2 or 3 days sickness khunta like sick there's mold on it you know so I sat down and I was like yabona mfethu ngobuhleli la your parents won't be around forever bekudodosa la fight angalwa ngalwa angaphuma eGibhithe ngalwa I had to strategize and that's one thing that a lot of young men today don't want to do because there's absent father figures in their life abafundiswanga ukuthi qina njengendoda yazi njengamanje usukwazi ke emcimbini kunomfana nje ohleli lapha oluka ama cornrows uthi hey mfethu woza sibambe imbuzi la ibambe kanje dabula ngempama lokho uhalele like why you know they don't understand the core fundamentals of ukuthi makunemcimbi khona abantu manje khona nabanye abangamarazo nawo makuyimcimbi your role is not to be a VIP in your own homestead your role is except faki over from exen like me and my sisters you know sisabanye from a big family every time ngomshado our role is 5-6 yaqala egcekeni yabona na amajita semphakathini hayi ukuthi ibona abasebenza thina sisaswenke we grinding we in there yabo leyo nto and then ngabo time izinto seyilungile sesihayi aphuma amakesi yimini of phela kumele ubanike ekseni akumele ubanike ekseni bazoyishanga amageja laba bamasebedakwe kakhulu
yeah I saw somewhere that you want to go back to radio
yeah
is that correct
yeah I would love to
you want to go back to radio
yeah
if you were given a chance to go back to radio you've got so much that you spoke about in this short interview kuthiwa propose a show what is your content
yabona growing up with my dad Sambe Modeni the love ballads no one has been able to emulate that I listen to other radio presenters. We have similar voices and everything, but they don't have the product knowledge. Like if you ask them who the Spinners are.
Okay, ballads, okay.
Yes, ballads.
Like, okay, make an example of musicians.
The Spinners. Whenever you call me, I'll be there.
Okay.
Bill Withers, just the two of us. You know, they don't know their product knowledge.
Okay.
They don't understand that Lionel Richie came from a group called the Commodores.
Okay.
And then became an individual entity. Umuntu uyamuzwa nje uya-introduce yasho ukuthi lo uzosibhongela nje uze you said nothing. So you need to educate abantu ukuthi makunerazo noma you want to remember maybe ubaba wakho noma ugogo wakho. You know, people on a Sunday, you know a Sunday show, I did a Sunday show. I would do a Sunday show to such an extent ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi umuhleli phansi kanje. Nje unebhabhalazi. Imithi miqathwa nali ejolo on air. Introducing the ballads yabo ngiyangena nami ngishayisa sami saint ngene ijolo saint ngishaya impahla yami ukuthi I need to remind you about umkhulu wakho umkhonzile when you were 6 years old nanilalela naye iMetro FM eGonile.
I get you.
Bring you that akekho in this country ekwenzayo.
So on that point, you mentioned something pick up uthe bakhona baningi radioweni with similar voices to your voice.
Yeah.
Do you think the voice has anything to do with delivering a good show?
No, I know people with very small voices who
But do you think a broad voice is a good voice?
A broad voice opens doors that can't be closed. Some that can't be opened.
All right.
It opens doors and what else?
Legs.
You got it! Listen to you got it, my guy. That's what I had in mind. You just speak, get legs open.
But ngiyena umuntu vele oyikhonzisile leyo.
I'm dead.
Yeah, so it's that kind of thing, you know. So we need to get back, Mina and Jade. What I want to do is, I think it's pure. It comes from God. I'm putting myself on a chopping board. After this, I know there's a lot of people who are gonna hate me, but I don't care. I don't care. You don't put food on the table. You don't help me with anything. Mina, the people that are behind me are gonna laugh at this interview. Say into foods and find it funny and continue to find me and be like, yo, you need to start going to more podcasts. And yo, guys, if you have a podcast, I'd say no matter how small, how little, I love projects.
So now you'd love to do this show, Yama Bollards.
Yeah.
Okay. So which radio station is like, when you think about it, it's like, if I can get an opportunity on that radio station.
Okay. Yeah, but Metro FM. I'd like to either one day, I would never do like it is one day. I don't think anyone would ever get to that. But I grew up as a fan. Like, Babyface every time I close. Till today, I listen to them. So it would be a thing of Uguti. I would remind people of that. Or there's a show called Oscar Man.
Oh yeah, on Metro FM.
Yeah.
Between 9 and 12. It's a feature. It's a feature.
Yeah. But Raz, what's Raz's name again? I respect him. I love
Yeah, Naked DJ.
Naked DJ.
Yeah, Naked DJ.
Mangatwa one day God would be like, hey, Naked DJ and Nigi go and work overseas. I would love a good time getting just saying.
We have an advisor, Lapan.
I'm going to getting it on this and
Dr. Mjolo.
Saint.
Dr.
Mjolo, Metro FM right there.
Yeah, Saint, you know. Yeah. So also, and another thing is radio needs to stop doing this. Lento Guti, a radio presenter maybe goes out and says something that's honest. And it's like we live in a world amanga. We've seen Uguti politicians are doing things. You're like, hey, bo. So do you see what lies have been doing to the world? We need the truth back. So if a radio presenter goes out and says something offensive, or that offends a few people, but the impact, you look at before, you're like, you're going to cancel someone. Look at the impact that's good that they're putting in people's lives. And then you look at who's affected. Oh, how many people are complaining? 1,000. How many people are liking? 1 million. Make it make sense. You lost 1,000 followers. So what? Boo-hoo. Oh, I'm offended. Damn, I'm offended. So what? If you come to me and you say I got a big head, I'm like, you gotta have it come back for everything. Words should not hurt you. If you're a man, you're not speaking to someone for years because they said something. Ayingeke mele uyolanda inkomo lezi owahamba yolobola ngazo bizibuye ekhaya usisi kube wena Razo ohleli phansi kanje kuthiwa ume lapha bekumboze ngoblanket kuthiwa uyambona ngoba Saint technically you're not being, you know, manly, you're not being masculine.
Yeah.
So we need to bring that back. Yeah, but slowly but surely masculinity is dying in society. It's dying in society. Masculinity. That is one thing amongst black men that they're killing. This has nothing to do with sexuality. If homosexuality, what you do in your bedroom is your business, guys. And when you're homosexual, keep it kanjalo ogwako. Live your life, live your truth. Don't be miserable. Don't be miserable. Uqine usunonkosikazi manje omfihlelayo. One day me find out usenengane ezu3 ukuthi yaboraza. Go out to live your life. I mean, I'm the least homophobic person you can meet. I have gay friends all the time. I don't mind clean because I don't hate them. But now when you talk about masculinity in this instance, I know guys who are actually gay, who are actually masculine. like guys who are like I'm a plumber nana yakuze umbone kodwa uyazi ukuthi une outside mase utshela ukuthi une outside yabo. So that's one thing that people are also not understanding yabo. And then lastly kunabantu who just come on social media and just bash gay people. I'm like bethu ukuthi wenzani ekamereni lakhe, how is that your business? Akuthiwa busy namachair. You should be happy because think of it this way, women outnumber us 3-1. Khona bazofa bafuna umkhwanazi and bazohamba in the name of Jesus, go. Bahluphile emphakathini sibadinga behambile. Kukhona abajolana but that's a bonus. Khona guy obukayo ukuthi mabe gay abagay ukuthi this guy is good looking, uyiscore, unemali, successful, he can dance, he can sing, he plays rugby, he plays soccer. Imagine if you're straight to the competition ngabingana. Have you worked in an environment with gay people? Gay people are able to go into catering. Yes, which was a female dominant industry. I'm like, I'm shy pot. Barely shy. So why do people hate on them? Like, every time I see somebody being homophobic on social media, I always say, sorry, that's so careful. I always say, shuthi loyo khona imizwa alwa nayo. Umuntu omngane uhlezi ngiyazonda khona omunye this one time I have a gay friend called Sfundo. Uhleli la Sfundo. Mina ngilena Sfundo futhi Sfundo kunankinga ngisho mangithi ikhanda, you know? He's like a brother. Uze fike nasekhaya khaba amthanda, umama umthanda ukufa, yabo. He's like hlezi ngisho my little gay brother, yabo. Wafike ngi out athi ngihlenes. I mean a dog akaze kushele awuyona type yakhe akakuhlupanga uhleli lapana uhlelana inkinga yakho yini kwahlule ungitshela wathi mina shuthu lwa nemizwa usefuna ukulwa mina hawo ilwa nemizwa yakho unganami ungali nami sent yabo. So there's a lot of things as abantu abamnyama esimele siyilungise nje yabo. So I want to put myself as a sacrificial lamb out there. If you want to hate me clean, but understand I don't have a problem with anyone. I don't hate anyone. Mina ngize nje ngifuna impumelelo kuphela and I want ukuthi mangiphumelela uNkulunkulu ngobe ngibusisa and I see my life going up. I want to do it and build people around me. Mina ngifuna ukuthi ezintwana sibe on hayi ukuthi nisupporta mina, no guys. Ngifuna uphumelele nawe mfethu uhambe usize omunye. Nami usifuna ukuthi as a man when you die on earth, we don't care ukuthi unemoto engane. We don't care ukuthi wenze nani. I-impact oyidlalile empilweni zabantu. Ukubona ukuthi kuba nomncwabo wesigwili thulakale akekho khalayo. Emndenini wakhe ngisho. Bese kuba nomuntu ohluphekile kodwa because you're a man of honor, a man of integrity, a man of valor. Umuntu who's done things, who sacrificed himself to get other people elsewhere, never asked for anything in return. Akashoneke lo muntu yakhothama.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Mr. Dlamini.
We can talk for hours. You are very smart.
Thank you very
much. I can tell you.
So many ideas in just one show.
Yes, very, very smart.
Thank you.
Enjoyed listening to you.
Thank you.
I suspect this is not the last time we are having you on this platform.
I'm enjoying it.
Part 2.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I 100%. I agree.
I think very much but TMI, too much information, communication overload.
Yes. No, we definitely have to have part 2.
No, we'll have a part 2 and we'll delve into other topics maybe.
Even what we had planned, we didn't touch on everything.
Which one?
No, it's fine. Let's come back for part 2. Let's come back for part 2.
No, let's shake on it. I like a gentleman's agreement. Yes. I'm a man. Man saying I don't man say if it comes out of this mouth, it will manifest in the universe. I praise the living God. Acts chapter 1 verse 20, for those who are faithful in little are faithful in much. Luke chapter 1 verse 37, for with God nothing shall be impossible. When I believe mina, I go think I go think I feel it, but I believe good in mina. In everything I do, I'm the best. So njengoba ngisho la ithekweni ukuthi lento ngizoyi-achieve angeke kuphele lo nyaka. Marazo asebenzisane kahle ingavalelane, because if you do, we have people that we know in well-structured places that you will not be able to, because they've been doing this for many years. Do you know how many people who are now young are actually in positions to say no to Amarazo? So they need to understand with this katsabo sapel, retire like a Oskido. Do like what DJ Tira is doing. DJ Tira is katsake sokuba like an artist aseko but yabo we are fafaka ngani ngomini. Faka ma acts amasha. Oskido supporting kids. kunamarazo doing things like that. Black Coffee. Yababona ukuthi benze njani bafaka abantu. Bese kuba khona namarazo nje ayitshela ukuthi Johnny, Razo una 45 usa rapper. Why unganayo record label? And honestly, like yazi ikithe ebhlungu njengokubona iRazo elinempunga. Fade. Unamanhlotla afika la. You look like a damn sunroof. Uphethe ubhaka, uyi-battle rapper. Hey, now you're not now Razo uyahlomeka. Hey, uyahlomeka. Cha now Razo wathi uyahlomeka Razo. Ngeke ngahle
izinto zangakubila.
Ayisithi ngikonzile Razo. Yeah, so nje yabo zikhona nje izinto bafethu emele silungise but bengisacela nje ukuvala because sengiyabona ukuthi to TMI. Guys, at the end of the day, as black people, we are all we have. Yabona leyo ukuthi on social media you're a black man, you're talking bad about black women, Melipen. You're a black woman, you're talking about black men ain't nothing, Melipen. But if you say it in a joking manner, yabona makungama trend yabo guys, but wena nje. Yayizo leyo nto le umdala ukamasipala wena. Qashe ingane zabantu yazi wenzani. Too many people saying things like that. How mina itshela mangathi isipana kamasipala maybe. Ngikayibuza ukuthi ungena kanjani because no I'm not saying bonke bangena kanjani, it's a favorite question. It's no, we need to be honest. Yinto eshiwoyo leyo. Siyazuzwa ukuthi everywhere you go. Kathi iqiniso yini lento ngempela. Yayibona leyo.
Okay, teacher isebenza vele.
Mina. Yeah. Person awungishango 22 years old mina.
Usebenzaphi?
Ungela usanda kuqeda ukufunda right.
But uzoqashwa lapha la usho khona kamasipala.
No, umlungu.
No, kanti umlungu akaqashwa yini?
No, she's into other things. Right, yena ugel unomlungu nje ngithola naye engeke ngimveze ngiyomfihla ngathi igolide ngiyomveza isandla kuphela evele ebhekelena you love of my life ngizomfihla nje yabo ngiright nje ngimfihla nje
Cool bananas.
You know what? Dr. Mjolo, Andrew ABCD. ABCD.
Yeah.
My guy, let's call it a day. Umuntu mhlambe who wants to use your services.
All right, sir.
To social media, and also I'm interested with success rate. Yeah, I'm not sure if you measure it, if there's a way of measuring success rate, but how do you know Uguti your coachings and guidances are effective?
I don't care about the number of bookings. I care about who booked.
Okay.
I mean, I can have 100 clients in a month. Abazongifakela 300. But I know in a month, if I have about 10, bonke they want the VVIP package. Leyo ukuthi hlezi ngihamba nawe ngiyakufundisa ukushela ukuthi indoda yenza lento nani njengo hitch. Si VVIP package uyiRazo uyishimane yazazi noma ufuthile asozwana senzathi sigabanga nje coach mina uthi hambe kule yangane ke manje wenza 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and we'll do it futhi sozwana inyanga yonke ukuthi njalo ngeweekend mina ngiphuma nawo saying ngifundisa yonke into ngifundisa from the way you dress, you know ukuthi namhlanje ngisenkile, you know I'm very plain today. I just wanted to be comfortable but uqonda kubalekile yabo fundisa Razo ukuthi okay mfethu i-body shape yakho you are too big buti ugqoka ibhuluke likupitshana unefika buti yabona nje unama hips wear looser pants kunabantu abakushela nje ukuthi looser pants yabo kunamarazo
sawa lokusukuma manje
ngisho kuthiwa impahla zabo ziyabiza mfethu kodwa uma egqokile nje ngathi intata uswenkise kwengane ecrash ngayizwa leyo nto ngathi nje ingane ecrash umbuka yabo so amanye amarazo ngiyatshela understand ukuthi Razo isikhathi sakho sesifade buka email zikuphi imbungu but mase bekwenze seyibona seclean ethi yazi I'm getting more looks now ngiyabonga yabo so image consulting and things like that. So my VVIP package consists of that, but for anything you want, I'm a voice over adverts, so I just bought studio equipment as well, so for recording, especially when you're upcoming, mina I don't believe in lento leyo ukuthi ngizothatha imasters yomuntu yabo. Come pay your money, come do your beats, go be successful bits. Kunabantu out here abarekhodisa abantu bethatha ama-percent amangakanani ingoma isi-owner lo muntu ngenxa ye-studio ama-masters yabo leyo nto leyo. So mina ngifuna naye nenye into engifuna ukuyibulala-ke leyo.
Okay, all right. I get it. Yeah, I think asibambe la.
Yeah, now on socials bakuthola njani?
All right, so on TikTok just write Dr. Mjolo Nzovela, Instagram @APC_radio1, and then for bookings my personal number is 062 08362590. But Muzon contacts may be business only. Laba who use my personal number for me are my close friends and family. No love of my life, man. And then Saint. Manje clean.
Mawufuna ukubona uDr Mjolo or mawuthi uyafisa ukubona uDr Mjolo ebuya la kwi-podcast radio and stuff, gone to the comment section usazisa ukuthi hayi akabuye we enjoyile le ngxoxo esibe nayo. Thank you so much Dr Mjolo for coming through.
Man.
We wish you all the best, my guy.
Thank you,
really enjoyed our chat.
Yeah,
It was honest.
Yeah.
We'll definitely see you soon. This has been podcast radio and stuff. Saint Manje clean.
I was saying to be addictive.
Thank you. Thank you so much.